How to convert a PowerPoint slide presentation into an animated GIF. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can do that so without any delay. Let's just get started with the process and start that. For that, you can just go ahead and open up a presentation in your PowerPoint. And once you've opened up your presentation, what you can do is simply head over to the file at the top. You can just go ahead and tap on it, click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be finding the screen. So what you need to do, the next step is head over to the export in the left side and click on it. And here you'll be finding a bunch of options. So look for the option called create an animated GIF, which is on the third. After that, you'll be finding the screen. I can read this like save your presentation as an animated GIF. And you can also increase your quality if you want. So you can go ahead and select large, small, the quality depending upon how much you want. For now, I'm selecting medium only for an example, but you can select large if you want. After that, you can just go ahead and click on this seconds, your time interval for the GIF, and also background and your slides. And after that is done, you just need to go ahead and click on create GIF and then click on save on your folder. And once you have saved that, you can just go ahead and open it up from your file manager and you should be finding your GIF presentation in your device. So that is how you convert a PowerPoint slide presentation into an animated GIF by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.